morning, my name is Jirapasthum Punpukdee. You can call me Tonka. Today, I would like to talk about volcano. Volcano is a face, opaque face mountain. Today, I would like to draw it. This is the volcano. Inside this is a lava. And this one is magma. Lava is under the lava's face and magma is in the volcano. In the volcano is have Roman god of fire volcano, or you can say volcano. I would look is inside a Fuji. I want to see a Fuji.
What is the Fuji?
The volcano of Japan. I want to see the Fuji very much in Japan, and I want to see very much in Japan.
Want to see very much? What do you mean?
Volcano.
Volcano? Volcano in Japan?
Yeah.
Is active or not active?
Not active.
Not active volcano, right? Can you explain about Fuji mountain again? The volcano. What difference between a lava and magma?
The magma is inside the volcano. This is the magma, like this, and the lava is like this. The lava is face and magma is inside the lava. Inside the volcano. Okay, I want to see the volcano very much. Thank you.